Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I just got my box in the mail. So I didn't get it last month. I did take a break from it. I think I just told you that I'm only doing 2 subscription boxes now a month. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. It says Glam Bag Plus. I think they need to get rid of the bag because it's not in a bag anymore. But that's okay. And when you open it up, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And I love that saying. I think that is gorgeous. And this is what it looks like. And this month is Welcome to the Block Party. So, and when you lift it up, and this is what everything looks like in the box. So I'm just gonna put the box down for right now. And it says June 2019, Welcome to the Block Party. And then inside it tells you everything that you have inside the box. So I'm gonna reach in first and grab the first thing I see. Let's see if I can find it in the pamphlet first. Okay. So the first thing I see is this Suva Beauty Hydro Liner and Grease and 620 brush set. So here is the 620 brush, and then this is the liner. This is in black. And if you don't know about Suva Beauty and stuff, what you need to do with these is you need to wet your brush for them to work, because when you open it up, it's not pigmented really, you see that? But once you let water on it, it gets really pigmented. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did with Boxy Charm last month. I am going to just open the box with you guys, look at the products real fast, and at the end of the month, I will review everything that I got in the box and see if I liked it, see if I didn't, see if I thought it was a good value. So let's just read a little bit about this. It said it valued for $26. Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. So it says, for a tip to begin, wet the 620 brush and dip it into the pan, mix with liner, adding more water if necessary until you get a nice creamy consistency. So that is awesome. I am looking forward to trying this. I think I have one of these on my other desk too that I use. I think I got it in a Boxy Charm, but I have liked it. So let's try something else new again. Oh, and this is something I got. This is my add-on item. This is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This primer is amazing. I have been using this constantly for like the last 2 to 3 weeks. I absolutely love it. I have very dry skin, and this has been amazing. I use this with that e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and the two together is just, it's perfect. So add on $3. And if you don't know, Ipsy is $25 a month. I forgot to say that at the beginning of the video, and you get between 4 to 5 full-size products. So the next thing I see is this Tristique Lip Lovers Matte Color Shiny Balm Lip Crayon. And I have it in Belize, and there it is right there. So that's a very pretty color. Kind of looks like the color I had in my Boxy Charm last month, so hopefully this one will do better than the other one. And there it is, and we'll do a little swatch-a-roo. And then on the other side, it is a lip balm. I don't know if you can, no, see, that won't really come up because it's really clear, but it's really pretty. So on the bottom has your lip balm, and then on the top has your lip pencil. Oh, I like that. Did you see that? It's a magnet. That is awesome. So let's read up about this. Matte color plus shiny balm lip crayon in Belize. Tristique knows you're busy. That's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte or opaque to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end, and it's got in a shade we're covering for the next day out, and moisturizing balm on the other. Wear them alone, paired together, or with your favorite lip products. Your call. And this MSRP is for $25. So we're off to a good start. I'm not complaining so far. Let's see, next. Oh boy. We have these Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydro Gel Mask. I think I've gotten something like this in a Boxy Charm. and it broke my skin out. So we'll see. I will probably try one of these, and if it still does it, I'm not going to be using it. It's valued for $26 for a set of 3. That's expensive. All of Tula Skincare's superfood probiotic pack formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten papaya and exfoliate and nix dullness. And the probiotic strand Lacacocus ferment lysate to hydrate, whatever, I don't know. Beach bound. Use this mask after you get home. It makes for a super cooling and refreshing post sun treatment. Oh, that would be, I gotta try that then, because I have an in-ground swimming pool and I'm always in the sun, so I'm curious to see if that will help, because sometimes I burn my face. I don't mean to, but I still do it. So we'll give these a try, and I will let you know how I feel about them at the end of the month. Okay, and the next thing I see is, let's see, it's the Tetris and Ipsy Block Party palette. Oh my gosh, this is bring memories. This is the first game I think I played on Atari, and then I used to play it on Super Nintendo or regular Nintendo. So, but that is what it looked like, and this values for $24. So let's see. So I guess they collabed together. So this is one of Ipsy's first products, and that's the front, and it's got that little block right there. I'm not too impressed with the palette on the outside, but we'll see. And let's block the mirror, and that is what it looks like. It says Block Party right there, and I have it in, I guess it's just Black Party. And here are the colors. They're pretty. So let's do some swatches of it and see how we like it. So the first one I'm going to take is Skyline. And that one's not a bad transition color. And then we have Back to Back, and that's another transition color. And then we have T-Spin. That's pretty. And then Line Clear is like this really pretty pink. Top Out is a real pretty blue. And then we have High Score, which is this really pretty purple. So those are the colors right there, and that is what it looks like. They're not the most high pigmented palettes I've had, but they are some pretty colors, and I'm interested in doing a couple looks for you guys and see what it looks like afterwards. And that's just read up a little bit about this palette. So its value is at $24. We partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary. Wow, I'm old. To create a limited edition collecting celebrating our different size, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shallow palette comes with 6 rich, pigmented, velvety, billable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. So that's awesome. See, and the last thing I have in this box is what I am the most excited about. We have got some Sunday Riley, and this is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Hydration cream, and it's right here, and let's open it up. And this is definitely a full-size product. So, oh yeah, and it smells like oranges. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And this is packed. I just want a little bit of that to try. I love anything that has to do with Sunday Riley. They are amazing. It is a great company. It's so good for your skin. So all that, yep, that's soft. I like that. So I am almost out of my moisturizer, and I think I am going to be using this one next. And let's read up about this. It's the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, and this values at $65. $65. That is crazy. With a commitment to clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel so good about. This moisturizer is infused with ultra-potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibility, brightening your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. I can tell you, I used this, something like this before. I used it every morning and every night, and it really did help with a lot of the dark spots that I have on my face, so it was amazing. So I'm very, very excited for this. So this was a pretty good box. We got the CEO cream, we got the Trusty Crayon, we got a palette by Ipsy with Tetris, I got a eyeliner, and I think that was, yep, that was it. And then I bought the hydration, the double duty. So I'm very happy with this month's box. And like I said, I will do a video at the end of the month where I try on every product. I really get into depth and detail about how I really feel about them, and I let you guys know. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you and you and you and you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.